Right. Open up. Open up. Mmm.
Nom nom.
What do you think? Swallow. Now swallow. Hmm? He doesn't know what to do. Okay. Here's some more. Here's some more. Swallow it. Or not.
It's probably full anyways.
Well, you're supposed to feed them when they're full, because then, you know, they don't get mad at you. They try to eat, you know? What you think about that, baby? Oh, what a mess. What a mess. Hmm?
Jeez. Go eat it, buddy.
What?
Oh no, you pooping and eating at the same time.
He's doing a good job. Come here, honey. Let's do another one. Come on. You're doing a good job.
He likes it.
Look at that. See? Wow. You need to swallow. You need to swallow it. Wow, you're such a grown man. Okay. Uh-oh.
You like it with your fingers there. Yeah.
Let's put your bib on. Here. There we go. Oh, probably should have done this first, but oh well. There we go. I know. Okay.
Okay.